what is ChatGPT? There was a great quote from Patrick Bet David. I thought he had a great quote that sums it up in one sentence. He said, imagine a person who's read every single book ever written, every article, every video, and meanwhile, it can recite all of it in seconds. That's ChatGPT. And he's right. What is ChatGPT? It's short for chat-based generative pre-training transformer. Okay, that's just basically a technical term for two things. First of all, there's ChatGPT, which is a web app that you can access on your browser, and it's designed specifically to use for chatbot, where you type in some text and it responds back with text, and it's optimized, of course, for different dialogue. But what ChatGPT is, it's built on the platform known as GPT. And actually, there's been another version of GPT that was released. There was GPT-3. Now, GPT-4 was released as well. And this can produce all types of content, from writing poems to explaining Python code. And it's important to note the difference. You have ChatGPT, which is a bot, an application, and then you have GPT, which is the fundamental operating system underneath that's running, that's enabling the ChatGPT. So it's important. Often they get conflated. There's ChatGPT and then there's GPT, two different things. So ChatGPT it's almost like QuickBooks in the sense that it's an application, whereas GPT is more like the Windows operating system. You need GPT to drive and source and power ChatGPT, which runs on top of GPT. And what it is, it's a language model. And what it does, it processes words and text and sentences and paragraphs and books and PDF files. And it's able to do it in this human-like response. And it could respond to anything that you could possibly imagine, all in natural language. And this is where it gets mind-bending. So it can produce any type of format of written content. You could say, okay, ChatGPT, write me a business presentation, write me a white paper, write me a movie script, write me a poem, write me a tweet, write me an ad, write me a Facebook post. You can instruct it. You could say, I want it in a certain style. Write me a Facebook post that's in a creative style or technical style or poetic style. And then you can also tweak it by the tone. I want it optimistic or informal or even sarcastic if you want. And you can also deliver it and craft it so it encompasses any kind of voice that you want. I'd say, okay, create an accounting presentation in the voice of Shakespeare. Write a presentation in the voice of Ernest Hemingway. You're only limited by your imagination.